Hi all, welcome back to my channel Shiv Tech Academy. Today I'm going to start about slicing techniques. There are two type of slicing techniques. One is slicing technique 1 and other one is slicing technique 2. Here coming to slicing technique 1, the definition of slicing technique 1 is it is a procedure to select a particular range of items from the sequence types such as string, list, and tuple, dictionary, etc. So every time slicing technique will starts from left to right and memory location will also starts from left to right. Now coming to the example how it will work. So I just used one example that x equals to Bangalore. This Bangalore will stored in this x variable. So how the memory location will start means this is the way. B is stored 0, A means 1, N means 2, Z means 3, A means 4, L means 5, O means 6, R means 7, E means 8. So like this, it will be stored in the memory location. So now if you want to print, if I give print X, it will print entire what is there in the X variable, it will print everything. But I want to print only B. If I want to print only B, then I just want to use x of 0. I'm going to execute this. So this is the thing you will get. Next, if I want to print A, so I'm going to execute this. See, you can get A. So if I want to print N, just execute N. Next, if I want to print G, I print. If I want to print A, next if I want to print L, print L, print L. So if I want to print O, if I want to print O, you can see here O is printed. If I want to print R, if I want to print R, so you can see here R is printed. If I want to print E, just execute. You can see that E is printed. So now I will tell that what is the difference between standard. You see here. So using slicing technique, which letter we want to print. So you can using this procedure we can print which letter we want. That letter we can print. So when we use directly print X, it will print what is there in this X variable. So this Bangalore is stored in X variable. So when we give print X, it will print what is there in the X variable. So you can get the all letters. So instead of getting all letters, if you want to do like this, you can use the slicing technique 1. So for example, here we have till range is till 8 only. If you give out of that range of that like x of till I have 8, if I give instead of 8, if I give 9, you will get that error that string index is C. Index error, string index out of range. So x of 9. Here we stored we have the letters till 9 only, 8 only. If you give 9, you will get this error. String index out of range. So this is slicing technique 1. Now I am going to explain you about slicing technique 2. Slicing technique 2. Here slicing technique 2 is nothing but for example, I will take like Bangalore only. So here, if you want to get in range, like way of if you want to print like same how it will be stored in the slicing technique one, that b is 0, a is 1, like that same way here also it will be stored in the memory location. If you want to print example, I will take this. See here, if I want to print in range like B, A, and G, I want to print. So 0, I want to print till G, like 3. If you see that output, how the output will be. Just commented this, going to execute. String index out of range. This one, I'm going to remove this. If you see that ban, so I want letters in this range, means 0 to 3. 0 means b, 1 means a, 2 means n. So 3, we have given 3, so 3 letter it will not print. In between this range only it will print. It will starts from 0, so it will end from 2 only. 3 letter it will not print. So means G value it will not print. So this is the range. I told you right, slicing technique is nothing but it is a procedure to select particular range of items. This is the particular range of items. Next, if I want to print, if I want to print like 4 to y of, I just want to print like 4 to 8. I'm going to do the range is 4 and 8. If you see that ALOR, 4 means what here? 4 means A L O R. It will not print E. As I told you that it will start from 4 and end with 7 only. Eighth letter it will not print because it will take range in between 4 to 8 only. So like that it will print in between range. So and also in slicing technique, negative scenario also we have. It will negatively also we have like minus minus 9 minus 9, minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, 3, minus 2, minus 1, like that. So B means minus 9, A means minus 8, N means minus 7, G means minus 6, A means minus 5, L means minus 4, O means minus 3, R means minus 2, E means minus 1, like that. For example, I'm going to print the negative values also, like minus 9 to minus 7. You can see what will be the output. Expected indentation error. I'm going to comment this. If you see that minus 9 to minus 7 I have given. Minus 9 means B, minus 7, minus 8 means A, minus 7 means N. So it just printed only B and A. So if you want to print like reversely, like if you want to print minus 1 to minus 3, it will not work. Minus 1 to minus 1 to, yeah, sorry for the interrupt. If you want to print the string reversely, like minus 1 to minus 4, I think it will not work. Minus 4, minus 1 to minus 4. It will not work. Just remove. Control set. If you see here, it will not work. It will not throw any error. It will not give any result. So it will not work because I told you that slicing technique will start from left to right. If you give from right to left, it will not work. Like it will not throw any error also. It will not give any output also. Okay. This is about the slicing techniques in Python. So if you like the content, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.